Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the use of DGET formula based on this data. And we need to use DGET formula to find remaining details. We simply need to insert employee ID and get details. So first, we need to use formula DGET. Now, select whole table for database. For field, select heading cell. But make sure that heading name and database heading should be same. Then, we move to criteria field. Select ID heading in cell. Now, insert employee ID to test formula. Now, drag right formula to apply. You can see, by dragging formula, it does not work properly. Now, again type formula. Select whole table for database. And press F4 to make it constant. Now, select name heading. After heading, we move to criteria and select heading ID in cell. And make it constant by F4. Now, drag formula to right side to apply. Now, insert ID to test our formula. DGET formula is very helpful, similar to Vlookup formula. We only need to insert employee ID, and it will give us data accordingly. We can use Format Painter for currency. DGET formula is the advanced version of Vlookup and XLOOKUP formula. If you face any issue while using it, please type in our comment section.